Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at some more important phrasal verbs and idioms from English literature. Hopefully you have watched my previous grammar videos and idioms and phrases. So first one is with open arms. The meaning of with open arms is cordially or warmly. In Hindi, we can say, if we say with open arms, we say happily we accept someone. Win laurels means to win distinction, किसी काम में बहुत अच्छा करना. Win laurels. White elephant. White elephant means anything with less utility and more expenditure. White elephant एक ऐसी चीज को बोला जाता है जो कि काफी महंगी हो लेकिन काम की ना हो. Well disposed to. It means friendly or helpful to someone. When the crunch comes. The moment of decision. When the crunch comes means the moment of decision. Willy-nilly. Willy-nilly means whether one wishes or not. Carefree. Wear and tear situation. Wear and tear damage by use. Wash hands off. To have nothing to do. Wash hands off means to have nothing to do. White berth. White berth means keep away. White berth means keep away. So we did 9 idioms and phrases today. First was with open arms, win laurels, white elephant, well disposed to, when the crunch comes, willy-nilly, wear and tear, wash hands off, and white berth. So keep in touch, subscribe the channel so that you can improve your vocabulary and grammar with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.